enough roof in there to handle the big bales of hay. But I hope that they don't have to buy any more.
Horses are still okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6. One of them's limping.
And they're still full of them and bigger. They still were running and jumping. You just got to make sure that you got a fence all the way around.
Yep.
That's what's
Well, it took the rest of the stuff off this little outhouse. Blew that over. Oh, buddy, you okay? Is you okay, bud? Jeez Louise. Damn, there ain't no roof. Holy cow. Jeez Louise. Now, we had just been up here. All right. Ain't got no insurance on this place? Get that. Holy crap. Holy shnikes. No, it did not move that bale of hay. Oh, okay. Jeez. That part of the barn's okay. This boat's good. That ain't. That's our roof. Did y'all go in the cellar or were you in the house?
We were in the cellar.
Oh.
When Simon first got out of the porch bunker, he thought it was our roof.
Whew. You know, we had just been up here. She had called about the dog being in there running the horses. Oh, your little thing's down.
But it wasn't buttons though.
No. Yeah. So I had been at Lowe's. I was at Lowe's.